Are you tired of battling cravings, struggling to lose weight, or feeling sluggish? We've all been there. You're not alone in wanting a healthier, more energetic you. What if I told you there's a simple, science-backed method that helps you shed pounds and boosts your energy and focus? Get ready, because today we're diving into the power of intermittent fasting. And you don't want to miss these benefits. Let's talk about the big one, weight loss. Intermittent fasting resets your metabolism. Restricting your eating window reduces calorie intake. During fasting, your body uses fat for energy, shedding pounds. Intermittent fasting is easier than restrictive diets. No more obsessing over every calorie. Let's talk about insulin sensitivity. It's your body's ability to use insulin to regulate blood sugar. Intermittent fasting is like a workout for insulin. It helps your cells become more responsive to glucose. This means better blood sugar control and reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Chapter 5. Reduce inflammation with fasting. Put out the fire within. Did you know that chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's? The good news is that intermittent fasting can act as a powerful extinguisher for this internal fire. By giving your digestive system a break, fasting helps reduce inflammation markers like C-reactive protein and interleukin-6 throughout your body. This not only alleviates pain and discomfort, but also promotes overall health and longevity. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine, running smoothly without the friction of inflammation holding you back. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can lower oxidative stress and improve cellular repair processes, further reducing inflammation. So, by incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine, you can significantly enhance your body's ability to fight inflammation and maintain optimal health. Chapter 6. Heart Health. Love your heart, fast a little. Let's talk about your heart, the engine that keeps you going. Intermittent fasting is like giving your heart a much-needed vacation. Studies show that fasting can lower bad cholesterol, reduce triglycerides, and even improve blood pressure. This means less strain on your heart, a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes, and a healthier, happier you. Chapter 7. Brain Health, Sharpen your mind, boost your mood. Want a brain boost? Intermittent fasting is like a supercharge for your cognitive function. Fasting has been shown to increase BDNF, a protein that acts like fertilizer for your brain cells, promoting growth and improving memory, learning, and overall brain health. It's like giving your brain a competitive edge, helping you stay sharp, focused, and mentally agile. Chapter 8. Increased growth hormone, the fountain of youth hormone. Ready to tap into your inner fountain of youth? Intermittent fasting can significantly increase your body's production of human growth hormone, or HGH. This hormone is like a symphony conductor for your metabolism, boosting fat burning, preserving muscle mass, and promoting cellular repair. It's like hitting the rewind button on aging, helping you look and feel your best. Chapter 9. Improved focus, laser-sharp concentration. Feeling foggy-headed? It's time to ditch the brain fog and unlock laser-sharp focus with intermittent fasting. By stabilizing your blood sugar levels and boosting those brain-boosting BDNF levels, fasting helps you stay mentally sharp and focused throughout the day. No more afternoon slumps or mental fatigue. We all want to protect ourselves from this devastating disease. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may play a role in reducing the risk of cancer. By reducing oxidative stress, promoting cellular repair through autophagy, and even enhancing the effectiveness of chemotherapy, fasting could be a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. Think of your metabolism as a fire. Intermittent fasting is like adding kindling to that fire, temporarily boosting your metabolic rate and helping you burn more calories. This boost comes from an increase in norepinephrine, a hormone that signals your body to break down fat and use it for energy. It's like giving your metabolism a nudge in the right direction. Know you've been a good friend. A healthy gut is the foundation of overall wellness. Intermittent fasting is like a spa day for your gut, giving your digestive system a much-needed break to rest, repair, and restore balance. This can lead to better digestion, reduced bloating, and a healthier gut microbiome. The trillions of bacteria that reside in your gut and play a crucial role in your overall health. We all want to live longer, healthier lives, and intermittent fasting might just be the key. While more research is needed in humans, studies on animals have shown that fasting can extend lifespan. By reducing oxidative stress, improving metabolic function, and enhancing cellular repair mechanisms, fasting could be the secret to unlocking a longer, more vibrant life. Lower blood pressure. Keep your blood pressure in check. High blood pressure is a silent killer, but intermittent fasting can help you take control. By regulating hormones like insulin, reducing inflammation, and improving blood vessel function, fasting can naturally lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious health problems. It's like giving your heart a break and your overall health a boost. Chapter 15. Improved cholesterol levels. Clear those arteries. Cholesterol isn't all bad. In fact, you need some cholesterol for your body to function properly. But too much of the bad kind can clog your arteries, increasing your risk of heart disease. The good news is that intermittent fasting can help improve your cholesterol levels by lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while raising HDL, good cholesterol. Chapter 16. Hormonal balance, harmony from within. Hormones play a powerful role in your overall health and well-being. Intermittent fasting is like a conductor, bringing your hormones into perfect harmony. By regulating hunger hormones like insulin and ghrelin, fasting helps control cravings, reduce appetite, and prevent those blood sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling tired and irritable. Chapter 17. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Take control of your metabolic health. Type 2 diabetes is a growing epidemic, but intermittent fasting offers a powerful way to fight back. By improving insulin sensitivity, lowering blood sugar levels, and reducing inflammation, fasting can significantly reduce your risk of developing this chronic condition. Improved skin health, glow from within. Want radiant, youthful-looking skin? Intermittent fasting isn't just good for your insides, it can also do wonders for your appearance. By reducing inflammation, supporting collagen production, and promoting cellular repair, fasting can help reduce acne, improve skin elasticity, and give you that healthy glow. Increased energy levels. Unleash your inner powerhouse. Ditch the energy drinks and coffee crashes. Intermittent fasting can naturally boost your energy levels, leaving you feeling energized and focused throughout the day. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, improving fat burning, and enhancing mitochondrial function, the powerhouses of your cells. Fasting helps unlock your body's natural energy reserves. Cravings control. Master your food choices. Cravings can sabotage even the best intentions, but intermittent fasting can help you take back control. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, balancing hunger hormones, and reducing inflammation, fasting can help curb those cravings for sugary, processed foods, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. It's like hitting the reset button on your taste buds, helping you make healthier food choices effortlessly. Unlock your healthiest self with intermittent fasting. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting that can transform your health and energy levels. Remember, this is just an introduction. Consult with your doctor and find the fasting method that works best for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Have you tried intermittent fasting? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.